this video, I'll show you how to add a voiceover to your video while editing using the Capcut app, and I'm doing this using a smartphone. Guys, in my previous video, I showed you how to use a picture or a video to cover up extra backgrounds while editing. So in this one, I'll show you how to even add background music, how to add voiceover. It's going to be a step-by-step practical guide. So before I start off, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you for coming back to watch this video. And guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now, to add a voiceover to your video, let's say you want to narrate what your video is all about, like this video I already have here on my Capcut app. I'm using this one because I'm into the entertainment niche, so all I have to do is talk about celebrities and all of that. So the next thing I want to do, if you look down here where you're seeing different icons, you see the next one, which is audio. You click on it. Now when you clicked on the audio, you see sounds, copyright, sound effects, extracts, and record. Now this one for sounds is if you want to add background music, or let's say you just want to put your video out there with a sound, like without doing a voiceover, you can click on sounds and choose the music you want to add. Guys, we are not ready to add a background music to our video yet. We want to do a voiceover, a voice recording explaining what this video is all about. So what I'm going to do, I'll click on record. You tap on that blue microphone icon, you allow it to load, and you start recording. You say whatever it is you want to say. Now for instance, I'll say, hello guys, this is Nollywood actress Destiny Etiko. Guys, she's on set with other amazing actresses. Now I've ended the voiceover and I click on this good icon. Now if you scroll down, guys, you can see everything I recorded, all the voices, everything I said. Let me just play it so you see. Hello guys, this is Nollywood actress. So guys, let's say this is the voiceover I want to use for this my video. Now as you can see, there are some extra parts that I might not need. Let's say for example the beginning. I think I didn't say anything important in the beginning, so I want my voiceovers to start from this other side. So what I'm going to do is to edit my voiceover. Now you scroll it, placing this line on where you want the voiceover to start, this white line you're seeing here. Now you click on the voiceover and you click on split. Guys, as you can see, the voiceover has been divided into two. Now we don't want this the first part. Now we click on it and delete. Now the next thing is to drag your voiceover, drag it to the beginning of the video, so that once you just play the video, the voiceover will start playing. Now let's try it out. Hello guys. So guys, that's perfect. As you can see, our voiceover starts where the video starts. Now let's scroll to the ending and say we don't want this other extra parts down here. You click on it, you click on split, and you click on delete. Guys, that is all about your voiceover. As you can see, we've done our voiceover. The next thing we want to do is to add background music to our video. Now how do we do that? You click on sounds. It will take you to a lot of musics you can choose from. Like I said, I won't advise you to use the Capcut free music. Always download a free tune using the audio library, YouTube audio library. Now I've already downloaded one tune that I'm going to use for this video. Now I'll click on this next icon, click on device. Now I'll search for the music I want to use. So guys, that is the music up there. I'll click on this plus icon, and guys, boom, as you can see, the sound has been added. But if you play it, you're going to notice something. Hello guys, this is Nollywood actress Destiny. So guys, what did you notice? The background music is too loud. You can barely hear the voiceover sound. So what do? I will have to reduce the background sound so that my viewers can hear what I'm explaining in my voiceover. So you click on your background sound and click on volume. And guys, you reduce it to the least. Hello guys, this is Nollywood actress Destiny Etiko. So guys, as you can see, the background music is now very low. You don't need your background music to be higher than your voiceover, because people will get tired. They will not even hear what you're saying. So you have to reduce your background music and let your voiceover be louder than your background music. So guys, we've added our background music, and if you scroll to the end of the video, you will notice that the background music is way longer than the main video itself. So all we have to do is to click on split and delete the extra part. And guys, that is all about adding your voiceover, adding your background music. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not done that already, and also give this video a thumbs up, and feel free to drop your opinions or questions in the comment section below.